Welcome back to my channel, IELTS Band 9. Today's lesson is about parallel structure. You need to have a balance within your sentence. Anytime that you have and, anytime that you have or, you must have the same balance of words before and after. These connectors or conjunctions will dictate that the beauty of your sentence and the balance in your sentence should appear correctly. I'll give an example. You have the words and phrases like ing form, which is called as gerund. Gerund by nature is a noun. In your sentence after likes, you say Mary likes hiking, swimming, and bicycling. This sentence is a balance. In the presence of and, before and after, you have the same types of word, you have the same parts of speech. For example, ing form in hiking, ing form in swimming, and ing form in bicycling. If you have infinitive, which is the next nature, you must continue with the same pattern to keep that balance within your sentence. For example, say Mary likes to hike, to swim, and to ride a bicycle. Your sentence is parallel, is correct. It is okay if you not repeat to, because it is the same in all of them. You put it before the first part. You can say Mary likes to hike, swim, and ride a bicycle, which is okay, no problem, to avoid repetition. If you don't have the parallel structure, in IELTS, you get band 5, and in executive and professional writing is a weak writing, and your sentences will have some fragments and run-ons and not balanced. Make sure you correctly write them down. It is correct to have one pattern only. If you have ing form, you need to keep it as ing form. You cannot mix and match with infinitive. For example, this sentence is incorrect because of to write. The second sentence is correct because all of them are having the same nature. The next example would be when you have a phrase, for example. It is not parallel. If I say the production manager was asked to write his report quickly as an adverb, the second one accurately is an adverb, but the last one is a phrase. The candidate tried to write down the phrase as an adverb. Instead, it is correct if I say thoroughly. Is this sentence correct? No. It is not parallel. In IELTS band 5, in professional writing communication, is extremely weak. Your sentences are lapsing. They're not correct. One more example, this sentence is not parallel. If I say the teacher said that he was a poor student because he waited until the last minute, that's the first phrase, to study for the exam, completed for lab problem in a careless manner, and his motivation was low, is incorrect because I started the sentence with a verb phrase. And then the second one is a verb phrase. I need to create the last one as the verb phrase, lacks motivation. Now my sentence is back. The next type of parallel structure is when you're having clauses in your sentence. Clauses are considered as a group of words contain subject and verb, but they don't have a complete meaning. They're subordinate clauses. They stick to a part of a sentence as a main clause to have the complete meaning. Parallel structure within the clauses are very popular, and I absolutely suggest them to use in IELTS. Practice like this. It is not parallel if I say the coach told the player that they should get a lot of sleep. Okay, that's the first clause. The next one, that they should not eat too much. But then the last one is not parallel. You see the pattern of that they should do something, that they should not do something. The last one, it would be correct if I say that they should do some warm up and so on. The same pattern, the same style, because the rhythm and the mood of the sentence must be parallel. There are a few other examples that more than welcome to pause the video. You can subscribe and like and comment below of this video that I'm sharing with you. This website that I'm sharing is from Purdue University Writing Lab. It is free for all the students to use, more than welcome to use them. They have excellent lessons that you can practice, and you can watch my video when I'm training you. The next lesson that I prepared for all of you to practice is the exercises that you can pause the video and practice that. This exercise is designed for parallel structure. I created this and I wanted you to have a good practice, but make sure you pause the video, review the video, watch it as many times as you want, share it with your friends, subscribe and like to support my business, and also make sure you answer to these questions within the comment box. The first question is, when Dolores realized that her father had made lima beans and rice for dinner, she did something, claimed to feel nauseous, and excuse herself from the table. So you see the verb phrase. This is a verb phrase. It started with past verb. Which one do you think must be correct? There are two other exercises that are prepared for you that I want you to pause the video. Make sure you answer these questions within the chat box below. And absolutely make sure that you have any questions added in the comment box, and I'd be happy to answer your question. Good luck and follow my videos for more videos. I upload videos every day. Thank you and see you soon.